What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, we are about to head into a different location. They are so nice here. I can't wait to see what's new. I have a feeling we're gonna see some back to school stuff really soon. Anyways, let's go ahead and head in. Thank you. Let's get a cart. Ooh, these are so pretty. Look at these birthday balloons, you guys. Aren't they pretty? Wow, look at those. Those are gorgeous. I haven't seen those before. Look, you guys, I see fall picks. Fall picks. Right up here by the Weekly Wow. Golds, burgundies, yellows. All the fall picks are out. Navy blues. We have pool noodles and hula hoops. My store's still set up like it was a couple weeks ago with the flip-flops. Life is better in flip-flops. And then we have the little slides this year. That's the first time we've ever seen any slides. All the balloons. Cleaning pads, little sponges. How cute. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It's a tiny little, looks like a tiny little piñata. And it has the little hole down here. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. It's really sturdy too. It's like super cute. So many flip-flops. Relax. Welcome to our tiki bar. Hello, summer. The daiquiri, the pina colada. Sit back and relax. Drink in hand, toes in the sand. I don't sweat, I sparkle. Those are new. Some of these are just so cute. And then on this wall, we have a lot of the same things we've been seeing. The wall decor. I think these might be new. A big pack of crazy straws. 4th of July items. The bubble wands. I like the little holder. We have a few different colors. Ooh, look at the pretty pink. And then the really big ones down here. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Okay. Maybe we'll find some new things down here. A 10-pack of dice. Ooh, Sonic Ocean Water. Okay, you guys already know I love drink mixes. So I'm gonna get some of these. Ooh, strawberry peach. 0 sugar. That actually sounds really good. We also have strawberry lemonade, sun-kissed pineapple. Down we go. Over here we have a bunch of glowing flying discs. spray bottles with the white handle. I think those are new. The water squirters. Silly putty. Beach toys. All the party wear. I think this is new. They're calling it a jointed cutout, and it's really big. It has the little brads, so you can twist it open and closed. Big birthday cakes, those are definitely new. I think these are new also. Eat dessert first.
That should be with HBC. Show you.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen these before. Look at these little treat bags. 10 in a pack. Aw, happy birthday. Those are so cute. I recently used the plates and the napkins that I had for Birdy's birthday, but I never saw those before. Cute, cute, cute baby bags. I think this one is new. That one's really cute. I think this one's new too. Happy birthday. We have more of the jointed cutouts. They're really huge. The dinosaurs. Even more. A pterodactyl. Super cute, the little magic towels. This is how big they are. I got a request to do one of these on TikTok. Which one should I get, you guys? Aww. I'm just gonna throw one in my cart and then come back later and look through them when I'm not filming. These little guys are still here, the little splat figures. Boomerangs. So cute.
You like it?
Yes.
Funny, right?
Yes. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I wanted to get that for Gator's birthday. Oh my gosh, that was so cute. All right, you guys, well, that's it for this video. Join me on the very next aisle in the very next video. We're gonna look at everything in this new location. We haven't been here in a few weeks. This location is really, really nice, you guys, and everyone that works here is so, so friendly. Anyways, you guys, I'm out of here. Join me in the next one. We will look at more new finds and name brands for the week. If you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.